Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the updated steps to snooze a page on Facebook. This feature is perfect for temporarily hiding posts from a page without unfollowing it. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the three horizontal lines. This is the menu icon. Next, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to expand the menu, and then select Settings. This will take you to a list of options where you can customize your Facebook experience. Under the Preferences section, find and tap on Content Preferences. Here you'll see various tools to manage what appears in your news feed. Now, tap on Snooze. This will bring up a list of pages that you follow. You can filter through them to find the specific page you want to snooze. Once you've located the page, simply tap Snooze next to its name. And that's it. You've successfully paused updates from that page for 30 days. During this time, their posts won't appear in your feed, but you'll still be following them. If you ever change your mind or want to unsnooze the page before the 30 days are up, just revisit this section and adjust your settings. This quick and easy process helps keep your feed tailored to what matters most to you. Thanks for watching, and enjoy taking control of your Facebook experience.